Yes, you all know we are suffering from the COVID-19 disease worldwide, and this is declared as a pandemic. Yet I have tried to make a mask for the common benefit of all the stakeholders of all the humanity, so that we can benefit and we can fight as a whole humanity against this deadly disease. Let's see how it gets completed. The improvements are most welcome. The infill density, the slicing time, and the things. Let's see what we actually get at the end. Thank you. As you can see that we have completed our project. Now we'll be seeing how it is by clicking it out of the platform on the bed. Let's see.